Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play MLB The Show online with friends. First, ensure you have a solid internet connection and an active online subscription, like PlayStation Plus or Xbox Live. It's also crucial that your friends are already on your console's friends list. For seamless play across different systems, remember to enable the crossplay option in your game's profile settings. This ensures everyone can join the fun. Once your setup is complete, inviting friends is straightforward. From the main menu, locate and click on your profile icon, usually positioned in the top left of your screen. This will open a menu where you can find your friends list. Select the friend you want to play with, and then choose the option to invite them to an exhibition game or another suitable online mode. They will receive an in-game notification to join your session. Acquiring the Envoy's Longhorn can be a bit of a grind, as it has roughly a 4% drop rate. To improve your chances, use a silver-pickled foul foot, which significantly boosts your item discovery. Focus on defeating the large Oracle Envoys, then simply rest at a nearby site of grace to respawn them, allowing for efficient farming until the weapon drops. Before the first pitch, you'll have the opportunity to customize your game. This includes adjusting the difficulty level, selecting your favorite ballpark, and even setting the weather. You and your friends can choose your teams, deciding whether to play together on one team or compete against each other. Once all settings are to your liking, confirm your choices and get ready to step onto the diamond for an unforgettable online baseball experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.